Okay, so in this video we are going to look at a 95% confidence interval for the mean exam question. So this one here is from the 2023 higher level paper 2 and it's question 8. Okay, so first three lines are fine, they just give context for the game, but there's no useful information for us for our workings out. That's fine. Okay, so they tell us the scores are normally distributed in Ireland, that there's a mean of 3.87, standard deviation of 0.36. Then we've a random sample of 64 Galway players, has a mean of 3.74. Local newspaper makes a claim that the Galway players have a different mean score to players in Ireland. Okay, and then here's the question itself. So we're being asked to construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean score of all Galway players. So the fact it's all Galway players tells me I'm going to use the mean score from the Galway players, and then standard deviation of 0.36, that's fine. So our formula for a 95% confidence interval for the mean is x bar plus or minus 1.96 times your standard deviation over root 10. So x bar for the Galway players is 3.74, standard deviation 0.36, and there were 64 players sampled, so we get 3.74 minus 1.96 times 0.36 over root 64 less than or equal your mean, and then we add it here on the other side. So 0.36 over root 64. So in the earlier video I would have tidied up a bit in my next step, but I'm just going to put the whole left side in to the calculator. We get 0.36 over root 64. So we get back 3.6518 less than or equal to our mean, which is less than or equal to, and for your calculator you can just go back and swap the minus for a plus. We get 3.8282. Now they gave their scores to 2 decimal places, so we can fix ours up to that. The question doesn't specify, but it's no harm to. So we get 3.65 less than or equal to the mean, less than or equal to 3.82. So there's our mean score of all the Galway players. Okay, and that's us done for that question for 10 marks.